Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some reality TV news. Guys, uthando nesithembu. Oh no, izingane zesithembu. Can we address the first point being that Abongwe is the girl that we think she is, right? Abongwe, yo, I like her, I liked her, I liked her, I liked her. While others liked Umpilo for how Umpilo handled the whole thing on the table, but I liked Abongwe how she reminded Uviki Uguti, this is a family thing, and when yours is to shush and isolate yourself from all this, right? But again, can we talk about the two main people that brought chaos on the table, which was Usne and Umpumelelo, right? Okay, starting with Usne. Usne, guys, is the most victim, I could say, be mentaliated, if there's such a word, person on the whole earth, right? We all want to be felt sorry for at some point or the other, but I feel Uguti Usne pushes it so much that it's annoying, right? Girl wants everybody to say, ah, Shem, Sne. But Usne is not putting the basis, Oguti, why Ushoga so. I mean, I personally do not have a mother. There are days where I cry my lungs out because I miss my mother and I want my mother to come and fight some of the battles that I'm unable to fight. But that does not mean which I must blame and get angry with people that have parents and say, hey, mina ngiyiveza ndlebe, because when I'm like, uyiveza ndlebe kanjani? Because you were there before all the other wives were there. But okay, fine. Singene kundaba kaMpumelelo, right? And I want you guys to tell me how you honestly feel about this, right? Umpumelelo unovuyokazi, unotirelo, right? Asukume utirelo decides to give umpumelelo a gift, but that's how they roll, right? My first problem was, okay, fine, that's how you roll, good and well. But was it Umpumelo's birthday? Was it Itirelo's birthday for it to be wrapped on that day? That's just my question. Was it necessary on that day? All right. Uhlalwege uvuyokazi no Vicky no Mpumelelo, addressing all the things that Uviki has problems with, right? And I thought ukuthi hey ban, Uviki has problems with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why are these problems not addressed accordingly? Right? Okay. Uvuyokazi angene address owakhe ama issues. While addressing her issues, angene utirelo. The thing that turned me off that utirelo said is Uvuyo ukuthi Uvuyo is so stupid that she is making for a baby. She's making a baby for a man that does not love her. That's how desperate Uvuyelo is, right? And I'm like, the same man is the one that went and slept with Uvuyokazi. It's not as if Uvuyokazi held Umpumelelo hostage into ensuring that the baby is there. Number 2, you have a child with the same man. So who is stupid here in this whole thingy? And I think Uguti Uterelo wanted to seem so clever, so calm, so whatever in this whole situation that she broke down. And the reason why she broke down is because she never expected Umpumelelo to sit and not do anything while they were fighting. Bearing in mind Uguti Uvuyokazi no Mpumelelo are no longer an item, right? So meaning when there is a fight brewing, it means Uguti by default Umpumelelo must take whose side? Tirelo's side, and be with Utirelo. But at this point, this guy just said, Umpumelelo just sat there and said, Lento lengichwayele ekhaya. I'm like, yo, it's not the first time it's happening. I'm not going to interfere. This is Tempo. Is Tempo how? When you have let Uvuyokazi go and said Uvuyokazi is no longer yours, shouldn't you be fighting for the woman that is yours in this instance? I don't know. But I pray that it is over for Uvuyokazi, because Utirele said if Uvuyokazi comes back, then she is leaving. then she's doing the very same thing uVuyokazi ayenzayo, because uVuyokazi is leaving because of the virgin being the first wife. Naye she's now gonna leave because uVuyokazi is back in Mpumelo's life. Hayi angeke. But ke the Izingane Zesithembu really entertained us, and I enjoyed every moment of it. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and definitely tell me what you thought of the last episode of Izingane Zesithembu.